Hello, I'm Joe King, Danville City Manager. I know many of you are concerned about the coal ash spill that occurred in Eden, 20 miles or so upstream on the Dan River, and what effect that has on health and safety in Danville. We're depending on a variety of state and federal agencies to assure us that the health of the river is such that it poses no danger for people in Danville. And I was just reading the latest report from the Virginia Department of Health that says walking along the river is safe, using the river as normal is safe, even boating and fishing. So we're going to wait for them to keep us posted on any change in that status. What we're responsible for in Danville is your drinking water, and we deliver drinking water to citizens in Danville as well as through the Pittsylvania County Service Authority to many residents of Pittsylvania County. We hope that you'll spend a few minutes with us as we describe how we clean our water. And we take this responsibility very seriously. When the ash spill occurred, Sunday, February 2nd, we found we were able to treat the water very safely using all our current technologies, and the water we deliver is clear and meets all state drinking standards. So I want you to know that I can give you my personal assurance that water in Danville is safe to drink. Coal ash is made of minerals just like those in soil and rocks. It is gray, powdery, and is left over after coal is burned. Coal fly ash is collected with air pollution control equipment at power plants and is often kept wet in holding ponds to prevent it from getting into the air. It's material from a holding pond that escaped from the Eden Duke Energy plant upstream from Danville. Watch the following video and you'll see how we remove substances like fly ash and mud from the river water we draw from the Dan River.
9 million gallons of water. That's the amount of water that is treated every day at the City of Danville's water treatment plant. In service since 1876, it's one of the oldest municipally owned water treatment plants in the country. Its main purpose? To provide you with safe, quality drinking water. That process begins above the Schoolfield Dam along the Dan River, where intake valves pump the raw water from the river through two 24-inch diameter lines into the basement of the water treatment plant into the raw water treatment room. From here, the water is pumped into a rapid mix basin where chemicals are added to begin the process of extracting all particles in the water. The first step in the extraction process is flocculation. Here the water is stirred slowly with the chemicals so that the fine particles are formed together into flocks. After growing the flock, the water flows into settlement basins where the now formed particles settle out of the water. Throughout the process, a SCADA system is used to measure the amount of particles in the water, or turbidity. At this point, the water heads to one of 16 different filters in the plant simultaneously. Here, chlorine is added to make the water safe from a bacteriological standpoint. Other chemicals are also added at this time for pH adjustment, corrosion protection, and fluoride. The water's final stop at the plant is an equalization tank, where one of 4 high-service pumps deliver the water to 2 reservoirs located in Blue Park, one measuring 4 million gallons, the other 8 million. These reservoirs feed the entire distribution system. Another vital component in assuring the citizens they are receiving quality drinking water is the lab work done daily at the treatment plant. A sample from each step in the process is tested every hour. Recognized as one of the tops in the state, the lab is housed within the water treatment plant, which allows for faster test results. This is not the case in many localities. This monitoring, along with the state-of-the-art treatment facility, gives the citizens of Danville the assurance they will continue to receive the same quality drinking water they have come to expect over the last 150 years.
Okay, I hope you could see from the video how water is treated and better understand how we were able to trap the coal ash in the filtration process and be able to deliver water that's clear and meets all state standards. So our water is very safe, and you should have no concern at all about drinking water from the Danville Utilities water treatment plant. We've established a web page on our website, and we're keeping that up to date with links from various federal and state agencies. So if you're interested in following this incident, you can do so at any time. Thank you.